Well, if there's one aircraft that needs no introduction, it's this one. The Concorde has a long association with RAF Fairford. It was here in the early 70s that its test program was carried out. Concorde has now been in service for 20 years. Today, it's been chartered for a pleasure trip over the Atlantic, and it's a sellout.
Enjoy the trip. How are you? All right? Yeah, see you there. Thank you very much.
These people have paid £495 for what will in most cases be a first experience of supersonic flight. A special day for them, and it's also a special day for this man. Jeremy Rendell has been flying Concorde for more than 18 years, but tomorrow he'll be 55, and that's the age at which British Airways pilots retire. So this will be his last flight. Jeremy, what are your thoughts today?
Well, mixed emotions really, I suppose. I'm very sad to be leaving this wonderful airplane, but I've had a very good innings, so I suppose I shouldn't complain. I've got plenty more things to do, so...
Happy memories after all this time?
Very many happy memories, yes. It has been a wonderful fleet to be a pilot with.
And in the nearly 20 years you've been doing it, have you had any troubles with her? Has she been good?
Considering what a complicated airplane it is, very few problems at all. I did have an engine failure leaving Singapore about 15 years ago, which the airplane copes with very well. We're well trained for that sort of thing. But that's about it, really. Very, very little. I had a tyre burst about two years ago. Almost nothing.
Your colleagues fly all around the world for British Airways, but Concorde has a limited route. Do you ever feel sometimes that you've been left out on other exotic locations?
Well, sometimes, but on the other hand, we do go to exotic places now and again. But yes, I suppose New York all the time might sound a little bit tedious, but the airplane more than makes up for that, so I'm very happy to have done what I've done.
Jeremy Rendell making his last Concorde flight as captain.